Creating an engaging product review video using AI-powered tools like Videogen is a fantastic way to showcase products, inform potential buyers, and establish trust with your audience. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or simply someone interested in exploring the world of virtual video production, leveraging a platform like Videogen can streamline the process and unleash your creativity. Let's take a step-by-step journey through the process of crafting a compelling virtual product review video, from ideation to execution. Begin by defining your objective. Are you introducing a new product, comparing it with others, or highlighting its unique features? Clarifying your goal helps shape the narrative and ensures your video remains focused and impactful. Consider your target audience. Are they tech enthusiasts, casual shoppers, or professionals seeking specific solutions? Tailoring your message to their needs will make your review more relevant and engaging. Next, gather detailed information about the product. Examine its specifications, features, and benefits. If you have access to the physical product, interact with it to gain first-hand experience. If not, research thoroughly using official websites, user reviews, and demo videos. Collect high-quality images, promotional materials, or 3D models if available. The more resources you gather, the more visually rich your video can become. Now, draft a script that clearly communicates your insights. Begin with a compelling introduction that grabs attention, perhaps a question, an interesting fact, or a relatable scenario. Present the product, stating its name, intended purpose, and the problem it solves. Move on to a detailed breakdown of its features, showcasing what sets it apart from competitors. Use simple, relatable language and incorporate anecdotes or hypothetical scenarios to illustrate how the product fits into everyday life. When scripting, structure your review to flow logically. Start with the basics. What is the product and who is it for? Gradually delve into specifics, such as design, usability, performance, and pricing. Include both positives and potential drawbacks, as an honest review fosters credibility. End with a summary of your overall impression and a clear call to action, encouraging viewers to learn more, try the product, or share their own experiences. With your script in hand, it's time to bring your vision to life using Videogen. I've dropped the link down below in the description so it's easy for you to find. Once you land on the home page, you'll see a big red button that says, Get Started. Go ahead and click that. Sign up for an account. You'll get two simple options: sign in with Google or register using your email. Log into the platform and select the appropriate video template. Videogen offers a range of templates suited for product reviews, including options for virtual presenters, animated product showcases, and immersive backgrounds. Choose a template that matches your brand's tone and the product's category. For instance, a tech gadget might benefit from a sleek, modern template, while a beauty product could shine with a more vibrant, lifestyle-oriented design. Upload your product images, logos, and any relevant graphics into Videogen. If you have 3D models or promotional videos, integrate them to enhance the visual appeal. Arrange your assets according to your script, ensuring each key point is supported by corresponding visuals. Videogen's intuitive interface allows you to position, resize, and animate elements with ease, creating a dynamic and engaging presentation. Now select your virtual presenter or narrator. Videogen's AI-driven avatars can deliver your script with natural expressions and gestures, adding a human touch to your review. Choose an avatar that resonates with your audience, perhaps a friendly, relatable persona for lifestyle products, or a knowledgeable expert for technical items. Paste your script into the narration field and use the platform's voice customization features to adjust tone, pacing, and emphasis, ensuring the delivery matches your intended mood. Enhance your video with background music, sound effects, and transitions. Soft, unobtrusive music can set the mood without distracting from your message, while subtle sound effects can emphasize key features or moments. Use transitions to guide viewers smoothly between sections, maintaining a professional and polished feel throughout the video. Before finalizing, preview your video to catch any inconsistencies or awkward segments. Adjust visuals, narration, and timing as needed to ensure clarity and coherence. Pay attention to pacing. Avoid lingering too long on any single point, and keep the overall length concise to maintain viewer interest. Once satisfied, export your video in the desired format and resolution. Most platforms, including Videogen, support high-definition exports suitable for social media, websites, and presentations. Save your project to enable future edits, allowing you to update your review as the product evolves or as you gather new insights. Now it's time to share your product review with the world. Upload your video to platforms where your target audience is most active: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or your website. Craft a compelling description and use relevant hashtags to enhance discoverability. Engage with viewers by responding to comments and questions, and encourage them to share the video with others who might be interested. To maximize impact, consider repurposing your video content. Create shorter clips for social media teasers, extract key insights for blog posts, or compile several reviews into a comparison video. The versatility of virtual video production means you can adapt your content to various formats and audiences with minimal additional effort. As you gain experience, experiment with Videogen's advanced features. Try adding interactive elements, such as clickable links, polls, or product showcases to enhance viewer engagement. Explore different visual styles, transitions, and avatars to keep your content fresh and appealing. Analyze viewer metrics to understand which segments resonate most, and use these insights to refine future reviews. In conclusion, creating a virtual product review video with Videogen is a seamless process that empowers you to produce professional, engaging content without the need for costly equipment or extensive production skills. By focusing on clear objectives, thorough research, and thoughtful scripting, you can craft reviews that inform, persuade, and inspire your audience. With each video, you'll refine your approach, build your brand's credibility, and contribute to a more informed and connected community of consumers. Embrace the possibilities of AI-driven video creation and let your unique voice shine through every review. Whether you're showcasing the latest gadgets, beauty products, or household solutions, your virtual product reviews have the potential to influence purchasing decisions and shape the way people discover new innovations. Start your journey with Videogen today and transform the way you share your passion for products with the world.